Some mistake happened in that second line. What is that? Find out. So which is the first letter? Cha. So cha is there, first cha. Where is the first cha?
Second cha.
Yeah. Good. No. But that is wrong. After first cha you should write second cha.
This one?
You leave it like that only. Can you read once again from the first?
What is this?
You read from here.
A, I, U, Ru, E, I, O, Au, Aha, Ka, G, Nya, Ch, J, Nya, Ta, Na, Na, Ma, Ya, La, Wa, She, Sha, Sa, Ha, La.
She alla. Sha. Sha, Sha, Sa, Ha, La.
What is this, ma'am?
So you should find out the first letter for this picture. What is this?
Arasa.
Very good.
Maybe I have what is this?
Square. Square. What we call it in Kannada?
ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ?
ಅಳಿಲು.
ಅಳಿಲು. ಆ. ಇ.
ಓಕೆ. ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗೋ ಥರ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಕ್ಷರ? ಸೊ ಟಿಕ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡು.
ಟಿಕ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್.
ಎಸ್, ಗುಡ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್.
ಓಟ. ಏಣಿ. ಒಡವೆ.
Yes, odave is also correct, but this is ole.
Ole. This and this.
Very good.
Gante.
Gante.
This, what is this?
This is gadiyara. And this is?
Kappe.
Yeah.
ಏನ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು?
ಯಾವ ಅಕ್ಷರದಿಂದ ಶುರುವಾಗುತ್ತಾ ಅಕ್ಷರ ಬರಿ.
ಸಿ.
ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀ ಕಾ.
ಕಪ್ಪೆ.
ಓಕೆ.
ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್
ಏನದು?
ಕಣ್ಣು. ಕಣ್ಣು. ದಿಸ್ and this.
Very good. Next.
This tarba.
In Kannada?
Tarbe.
No. It start from ta.
Tarkari. This.
Ah.
Tarkari.
What we call it for this? It starts from ta.
Tampe.
No, that is ta.
Tampe.
No. Tabala.
Tabala. This also tabala. This is nona.
Ah.
Na. This is
ಇದು ನಾ. ಬಟ್ ನಾವು ಬರಿಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ನಾ. ನಾ ಯಾವುದು? ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್.
what is this, right?
ಡು ಯು ನೋ ಒತ್ತಕ್ಷರ?
ಅಕ್ಷರ.
ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಬೇಬಿ ಲೆಟರ್ಸ್. ಬರಿ.
ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದನಾ? ಕ. ಕ. ಗ.
You can write here. It's okay. Leave one line. You can start from here. After ka, cha, then
One line leave.
what will come next?
Ta.
Very good.
Ta 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 na. From this line, not it there.
Line is not there. Okay, I will draw another line. You can continue that.
This na. What will come, ma'am?
Na, same baby letter.
See.
Ta. You can write here, last line.
This
Completed.
this line.
Mm.
Two lines we have draw.
Yeah, I will draw.
Okay.
Yeah, very good. I'm waiting for that only. Good. So for now, which Akshara will come? Yeah, good.
We draw.
So Good. Next.
Hana. Hana. Tabala. Tabala. Mana. Mara. Mara. Gana.
Ba.
What is come, ma'am?
So which letter will suit? Na, ta, na, ma, ra. Bara. Bana. Na.
Na.
ಬರನೂ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಬಿಡು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್.
After
ನೋ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರಾಂಗ್.
What is this?
ಒತ್ತಕ್ಷರ. ಒತ್ತಕ್ಷರ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಆ ಕ, ಅಕ್ಕ. ಅದೇ ತರ ಆ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಒತ್ತಕ್ಷರ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಏನ್ ಬರೀತೀಯಾ? ಸೇಮ್ ಬರಿಬಾರ್ದು ನೀನು.
ಎಂದಕ್ಕೆ?
ಅದು ನಾನು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು. ನೀನ್ ಬೇರೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ತಗೋ. ಯಾವ ಅಕ್ಷರ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ.
ಹನ.
ನೋ ನೋ, ಒತ್ತಕ್ಷರ ಇರಬೇಕು.